Hey guys, I'm Shane Liliedahl. I'm a teacher at LASC. I've been teaching at LASC for almost 5 years now. I've got my master's degree in TESOL, which is Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, from USC. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of my class during this COVID-19 situation. We use Zoom a lot, we use Google Classroom, and we use a lot of TED Talk videos also. I'm the business English teacher at LASC. Let's take a look at my class. All right, guys. So let's take a look at our vocabulary for this week. On Quizlet, you can use this Learn system to help you guys learn the words. Knowledge of oneself. Understand?
Self-awareness.
Woohoo! Adriana, zing! Oh, so quick. Good job. Okay, now it's going to ask you to type the answer. So now we got to remember. Feeling annoyed and upset. Anyone remember this one?
Frustrated.
Yes. Please say frustrated.
Frustrated.
Great. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Come join my class at LASC. I can't wait to meet you.